Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple French onion soup. We'll start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of yellow onions, thinly sliced, which is roughly 4 to 5 medium onions. Also, have ready 4 cups of good quality beef broth, 1 cup of dry white wine, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. These foundational elements are key to developing that rich, savory flavor we all love in a classic French onion soup. Let's get cooking. The heart of any great French onion soup is perfectly caramelized onions. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-low heat. Add your thinly sliced onions and 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar helps with the caramelization process. Cook these slowly for about 45 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they are a deep, rich golden brown. Patience here is truly a virtue for maximum flavor development. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to build the broth. Carefully pour in 1 cup of dry white wine, like a Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio, to deglaze the pot. Make sure to scrape up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. That's pure flavor. Then, add 4 cups of rich beef broth. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. Season with salt and pepper. Now for the best part, serving your delicious French onion soup. Ladle the hot soup into individual oven-safe bowls. Place a slice of toasted baguette or other crusty bread on top of the soup in each bowl. Then, generously sprinkle about 1/4 cup of grated Gruyere or Swiss cheese over the bread. Carefully place the bowls under a broiler for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and beautifully golden brown. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.